Hello mga amiga ug amigos, sawadee ka. I will share to you my interview experiences here in Thailand nung ako ay nag-apply as a teacher here. Ang tumatak talaga sa akin ay yung Pinoy ang nag-interview sa akin, na mga Filipino, very smart. Sabi niya, are you familiar, ma'am, with the CLT? Oh, the cognitive learning theory. Buti na lang hindi ako natulog sa aking EDOC 101. All developing the reasoning skills of the children. Answering the why questions. O diba? May natutunan din tayo nung nag-aral pa ako. At saka yung learning by doing. Here comes Montessori style. Buti lang alam ko yun. So, nakasagot naman ako in fairness doon. Tapos yung sa Chulalongkorn University, yung tatlong mga very important person doon, ako, talagang, maalala ko talaga, sabi niya, what's in you that we're going to hire you than the rest of the teachers outside? What's your best asset? What's your skills? Sabi ko, oh ma'am, I can dance, I can play drums. Pero sinabi ko talaga na, oh, I have the passion in teaching. Pero doon siya parang na-impress nang sinabi ko na I can dance. So nag-follow up question siya. What kind of dance? Oh, I can dance a modern dance, jazz, cultural dance, even hip-hop. Nakasayaw nga ako ng Muslim dance, yung singkil, before when I was in high school. Sabi ko, oh, parang na-impress siya. Oh, talented palang teacher na to. Tapos may iba din na, what are the steps in lesson planning? Maybe just to test you if you are really a teacher. Marunong ka ba talagang magawa ng lesson plan? Tapos yung how you manage the class, especially na bago kang teacher, tapos yung mga estudyante mo, mahirapan pang makaintindi sa iyo ng English, tapos maingay sila, so ano lang dapat mong gawin. So sa mga baguhan dyan na nagbabalak na mag-apply ng teaching job dito sa Thailand, just be true to yourself and be confident in answering the questions. I'm sure na makahanap kayo ng work kasi pag makita nila sa itsura mo na talaga to, may kumpiyansa sa sarili. Tapos yung sagot mo comes from within. Hindi yung lang na sa iba mo na yung experience mo rin at saka mga natutunan mo sa mismong sarili mo. Yan lang share ko sa inyo as of this time. And please like and subscribe. Comment down below kung ano pang gusto niyong dito tungkol sa buhay dito sa Thailand, especially the teaching experience here, life of a teacher here. That's all, and have a good day, everyone.